Hi, hello, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to navigate the viewport and also the object. Okay, so let us start the video. So if you want to zoom in and zoom out the viewport, you can use the middle mouse button, that's the scroller. If you scroll forward, it will zoom in, and scroll backward, it will zoom out. And if you want to make a smooth zoom in and zoom out, hold Alt or Option button and hold the right click and you can zoom in and zoom out. Okay, that's how you can do the zoom in and zoom out. So if you want to do the rotation, hold Alt and left click button and you can rotate the viewport. You can also rotate from here. Okay, so understood, no? So like this you can do the rotation. So now if you want to pan, hold Alt, click the middle mouse button to the pan. So rotate, pan and zoom in and zoom out, right? So for example, I'll take the cube from the poly modeling. So this is the cube. So if you want to move the cube, then you should come for the move tool. Select the move tool and you can move however you want. In whichever the axis that you want to move, you can move it. And this is the rotation. Okay, if you click on middle and you can rotate, random rotation. Okay, so and this is the scale. If you scale from the middle, it will scale in uniform scale. Okay, that means all the axis the scale is happening. You can scale in individual axis also, like this, if you hold the particular axis and you can scale on that particular axis, see, like this. So like this you can scale it. Understood, no? So like this you can navigate the viewport, and you can do the scaling, rotation and moving the animation. Okay, so the next video will come up with the in-depth how to work with the curves, surface, poly modeling, and what all the use of this, and we'll see and what all the properties of this mesh will be available over here, right? So we'll work on that in the next video. So till that, take care, bye bye.